Hey, PeaRoy, how in the world are you?
I'm doing just fine, Mr. Rick. How are you?
Yep, had a good week?
Yeah, so far.
All right, well, that's good. You heard any good jokes?
Well, I sure have. You want to tell yours
All right,
first?
well, let's just do it like we normally do, and I'll tell you mine first.
All right,
All right, but before we get started,
what?
Do you need an ark?
I need a
Yeah, you know, like, well, I know a guy.
Noah guy.
I know, Noah guy.
Yeah, that's not bad. I don't reckon that's bad. All right, give me that.
Do you know that older people read the Bible more than anybody?
No, I don't reckon I did know that.
Yeah, I figure they're cramming for finals.
Cramming for finals.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, well, hang on, let's do a slurp.
All right. Oh. All right. Go ahead and give me that.
So, do you know how angels greet each other?
No, I don't guess I do.
They say, halo, halo, halo. I know. It's stupid. That's why we're telling them.
Okay. Halo. Yeah, all right. That's okay. Give me that. Go ahead.
What did Adam tell Eve when he handed her something to wear?
What did Adam tell Eve?
No, he said, here, take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it. All right.
I know, they're getting worse, right?
Yeah,
take
they
it
are
or leave
worse,
it.
But I do know what you're talking about.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, give me that. That is pretty bad.
Who was the smartest financial person in the Bible?
Who was the smartest financial person in the Bible? I don't know.
Well, that was Noah. Because he was floating his stock while everybody else was in liquidation. Now, that's pretty good there,
I like that now. That's all right.
All right, well, look here. One time there was these, I'm going to tell them a long joke.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
Well, one time there was these three men, and they got in a boat, and they were going to go way out there in the ocean. They was going to do some fishing all day long.
All right, well, that's good.
Well, for some reason, you know, they had somebody like PeaRoy.
Wait a minute.
I know, I'm sorry. He wasn't like PeaRoy. You would have thought to put the plug in the boat.
I would have.
Well, they got
it in there.
I don't know, 50 miles offshore or so.
Yeah.
And the boat sunk.
Oh.
And so it took them all day long to swim to this island. And there wasn't nobody on the island, and they unfortunately had to stay there for several days, you know. And so they was walking around the island, and they come up on this bottle.
All right.
So one of them picked it up and rubbed it. And all of a sudden, this genie come out of there. The old genie said, I've been in that bottle for over 1,000 years.
1,000 years?
Yeah, 1,000. And he said, you know what? I'm going to grant each one of y'all one wish just for letting me out of that bottle.
That sounds
He
like
looked at the first fella and he said, what do you want? He said, I'm going to be honest with you. I've been tired of being on this island. I want to go home.
Well,
boom, he was gone.
Right. He was gone. All right.
That other fella looked at him and said, can I do that too? He said, you sure can. He said, well, I want to go home. Boom,
okay.
He was gone. He looked at the last fella and says, well, look here, what do you want? And the guy looked down at the ground there a minute and he said, you know what, I just miss my two buddies. I wish they was back.
Oh, no, he did not. Oh, man, I wouldn't have wanted him back with that attitude.
Yeah.
My goodness.
All right, now, you tell yours,
Woo.
all right?
All right, I'll tell you mine. All right, look here. When was the first time mathematics was talked about in the Bible?
When was the first math problem?
Yeah.
I don't know.
When God said, go forth and multiply.
Go and multiply. Okay, that's better than mine. Go ahead and tell another then.
I got real nervous when I was holding the Bible. My palms got sweaty. No, not palms.
Psalms? I think
yeah.
it's Psalms. Yeah, Psalms.
Yeah.
Your Psalms were sweaty.
Yeah, that's
all right.
Psalms.
Well, that's pretty good, I guess. Go ahead and tell another.
All right. Why did Moses cross the Red Sea?
Why did Moses cross the Red Sea?
Right. Oh, to get on the other side. That's why he wanted to get on the other side.
Get on the other side. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I said, okay, all right.
I sure am glad these are dad
They
jokes.
are dad jokes, all right.
Man, all right, tell me nothing.
What did Adam tell his children why they was not in the Garden of Eden anymore?
I don't know.
He said cause his wife ate him out of house and home.
Well, I guess that's kind of true, ain't it? Yeah.
All right, here's what that last one. How do we know how much how much income that Peter had?
I don't know.
Well, it was his net worth.
Net worth. Okay.
Net worth,
All right.
yeah.
Well, that's
Peter
pretty
Fisher.
good. I gotta admit. All right. Give me a long joke. All right.
All right. Well, there was this fella, and he was out in the garden, and he raised flowers and all. And he come to town there, and his buddy met him, and he had a big old swollen nose.
Oh,
it was
my.
like this in. And he said, "Man, what happened to your nose?" And he looked at him and said, "Well, I'm smelling a barose." He said, "Wait a minute, a what?" He said, "A barose." He said, "Are you saying rose? Rose ain't got no B at the beginning. Rose ain't got no B in it." He said, "Well, that one did."
That's there.
Get it? Okay, that all right.
Got a lot to do, don't we, PeaRoy? Yep. All right. Well, look. Thank you for having me over, and I appreciate them dad jokes. I'll talk to you.
All right, I'll see you later, Mr. Rick. I know you in a hurry and all, and look here, fellas. Thank you for dropping by. And like I said, these are bad jokes, and but I think they're funny, and Mr. Rick thinks they're funny. And if you got any of them, you can write them, send them to me at this address right down here. And if they make it on here, I'll give you I'll respect you, and I'll tell everybody you done it. And then we can tell we got all our bad jokes from you. Anyway, look here, thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you next week, all right? All right.